Okay, so I picked up this from the auctions. This is a Form Hooklow gravel bike, disc brake gravel bike. As you can see, she's got disc brakes, running Sora, everything's fine. Yep, someone's put a tawny on here. It's just held on with a skewer. There's no derailleur hanger at all, so that's an interesting bodge. Sora crank set, no play in the bottom bracket or anything. Really lovely pedals, but yeah, remains of a lock on there of some kind. 1, 2, 3 seat posts. This just Form's finishing kit basically. The auction number right there. Yeah, Form Hooklow rather. So yeah, not to be confused with hookless tyres being the tubeless type. Yeah, not bad. Pretty cool bike. But yeah, that concludes this video on the Form Hooklow. I am nicking the wheels off of this for something else for the time being though.